guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel B Designs. I'm Angel B. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. In today's video, you guys, we are talking Brick 600. Now Siser did go ahead and drop a couple new colors. As you can see, I've already gotten into them. Oops, I dropped one. But the new colors are Citrus, which is like a yellow color, Orange Soda, which is kind of like a neon orange. They have gray, and then they have this rust color. It's called Texas Orange, and it's like a rust orange. I really love this one. I haven't used it yet, but I really love this color. In today's video, you guys, I'm going to be layering some brick. Okay, so layering the brick on top of more brick, and I'm using a white shirt, but I'm going to be using black brick for the base layer, and then I'm going to be using the neon yellow and the neon pink to complete today's project. This is what we are doing today, you guys. Brick is a vinyl that kind of gives the shirt a 3D effect to it. So whereas we have puff, where it kind of puffs up off the shirt, kind of like a bubble effect. Brick is kind of like, it gives it a 3D, almost like, basically like its name, like it's a brick looking, straighter lines, more, it just looks more elevated off the shirt rather than like bubbled up off the shirt, which is how the effect that puff gives. So it is a 3D kind of vinyl, just like puff. However, it gives it a different look. I think this one is a lot more masculine than puff, even though I do think puff can work for men as well. But a lot of men tend to go towards the brick rather than the puff. So this can be for, you know, men's kinds of shirts. And my husband has personally said he preferred this look over the puff as well. But yeah, this is what we're going to be doing today. We are going to layer it. You guys, I'm not doing the knockout method. I'm going to be layering it right on top of each other. I'm going to show you how it weeds. And then I'm going to talk about my cut settings. And then we're going to go ahead and press. So definitely go ahead and stick around for this. Everything kind of cut and weeded out. The colors I'm using today are it's going to be black, it's like a neon yellow, green, and then a neon pink. I'm going to leave a link for everything in the description box. This is just a white t-shirt from Circle Clothing, which is, I believe, 100% cotton. Yes, it's 100% cotton. Okay, so the first layer, now when we're doing puff, I normally do a knockout method. With this, because I want to see, I've seen a couple people do this already before, but I want to see if we can go ahead and just layer brick right on top of each other. Now, I did look it up, and it, you know, I saw multiple sources that said it can be, but let's try it. So there's no knockout method. We're layering the brick right on top of each other. So this is going to be the base layer, which is black brick. And then I am going to press this at 310 degrees for 20 seconds. And then brick is a cool peel as well. And then we're going to layer these other two colors literally right on top of it. So I'm going to pull this out and just kind of let it cool off for a second. While it's cooling, I'm going to trim the rest of this brick so we can get it layered. And this is a Siser product, so it's available at multiple locations, but like I said, I will leave a link for the colors that I'm using today. This is gonna look so good. I can already tell. I can already tell with these colors because they're so vibrant. And the 3D effect is gonna look really good too. Okay, let's go ahead and see if we can peel this. No, it's not necessarily cooled off enough yet. If you see, like when you go to peel it, if you see that, you know, it's coming up off the shirt, it's not cold enough. Okay, no, it's still not cooled off yet. Let me pull it off. I don't want to mess up my base layer. That's the only thing I don't like about things that are like cold peels. Even with like DTF transfers and stuff as well. Y'all, I am so impatient. I do not like waiting for stuff to cool. Okay. Y'all, this is not, hold on now. Let me do another press. Because this seems like it's not coming up off the shirt. And I don't know, I mean, coming off the carrier sheet. And I don't know why that is. Let's try that again. But see, I don't, everybody's like, oh, you're such a perfect, you do shirts so perfect. No, it's not. If it's not coming, because it's not coming off the, like it's not sticking to the shirt. So I'm going to do another press. Cool it off a little bit, and we'll try it again. There was like a lot of pieces that were still just not staying. Okay, that is a lot better. My heat press might not have been all the way at 310. That probably was the problem. There we go. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and we are going to press this right on top. And I'm going to line that up. I'm going to line this one up, and then there's two other colors, but I'm going to press these two first. And I'm going to cover it with a piece of parchment paper so that this piece and this piece don't scorch. Same thing, it's going to be 310 degrees for 20 seconds. And this is going to be the other layers here. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these so that they are ready to go. Brick is one of those vinyls that kind of is raised off the shirt, but it's not like puffed up off the shirt. Kind of gives it like a, almost kind of like what the name says, like a bricked look. like a brick raised up off the shirt 3D look. Hopefully that makes sense. And I think that this vinyl is such a, like for men. Oh, that looks so cute. For men, I think that this is a really, really good vinyl. That looks so good. That looks so good. I love the colors. I love it already. Okay. Now let's go ahead and add the pink. This is going to look so... I think I want to do this in puff too. Oh, let me add the parchment paper so I don't get any scorching. In this file, you guys, I did just make that. I made this file in Leonardo Design Studio. I'll have it in the description box as well if you're interested. But I think I might do this in puff as well. But in order to do the puff, it would have to be the base layer would have to be knocked out. But I might try this again in puff. Oh yeah, this is super cute. OMG. Alright, let me turn this off because it's hot. So I can show you guys. A little crooked. Look how cute that is. Okay, let me show you the brick aspect of it. Hopefully you guys can see it's just kind of raised a little bit off the shirt. But it just gives it some 3D, like 3D dimension. But I wanted to show you guys how to layer it. Like I said, I have seen, I did some research and they did say that layering it like this was okay versus doing the knockout method. I'm going to wash it a couple times to see if that's true. And I will definitely make sure I come back in maybe a week or two and let you guys know the wash test. If it turns out it doesn't work, it's a simple fix. All you have to do is the base layer. Just do the knockout method the same way that I do with the puff and it'll be fine. But that's all I have for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff. Until next time, bye guys.